Hello everybody! Today I will be talking about henna and mehndi basics. Whether you're a bride planning your own wedding or a first-time South Asian wedding guest, you will not want to miss this video. My name is Neha Assar. I'm a Los Angeles-based henna artist and I have been in the industry for the last 26 years. I serve all of the greater Southern California area as well as travel worldwide for all my services. So let's get to it. What is henna and what is mehndi? Henna is the actual paste used to create the intricate designs on the bride's hands. Mehndi is the art of the application of the actual henna paste. It's very similar to when you go to the nail salon to get your nails done. You don't say, "I'm getting my nail polish done." You say, "I'm getting my nails done with nail polish." The application of mehndi is very important and significant to the South Asian wedding. It kicks off the entire week of wedding events, which is typically 4 to 5 days. The actual paste is infused with essential oils which allow the bride to calm down and enjoy her wedding events. At a typical South Asian wedding, a bride sits for hours on end getting her intricate bridal mehndi done. Alongside with her close family and friends that are part of the bridal party get smaller designs on their hands. It takes me about 6 hours average to finish a full bridal piece. There's a lot of details that I can include about henna and mehndi and the application process, but these days it serves as an informal kickoff for the typical South Asian wedding. So let's talk about some of the typical mehndi designs that you would see on a bride. First of all, there's floral, which is typically used in the Arabic style design. You'll see it in bunches, maybe 1 or 2 here or there, a lot of leaves, vines. Floral designs are very common and it's always a safe bet. Next up, we have figures. Typically, you'll see a bride on one side, the groom on the other, or you'll see the bride and groom together performing a ritual drawn into the hands of the mehndi. With mehndi, you can personalize it to your heart's content. Just make sure you do it in good taste. Paisleys are also very common in bridal mehndi. The paisley is like that little S shape figure that you see. It's usually fatter on the bottom and gets thinner on the top and curves around. Some other styles of mehndi that you will see are Moroccan, motifs, and minimal henna designs. Here are a few more things you need to know when getting your mehndi done. When it comes to mehndi, the sky is the limit. You can include all kinds of details that your heart desires. For example, I am known for including different skylines of the bride and the groom's hometown. Also figures of their pets, famous logos of sports teams that they're really interested in. Also logos of their universities, which is always interesting when they're rival schools. Anything, I mean, you name it, I draw it. One common tradition that all South Asian brides share is hiding the groom's name into the bridal mehndi. Word has it that the bride and groom can't consummate their marriage until he finds his name in the mehndi. And the faster he finds it, it means the more he loves her. So when you see him looking so intently, you know the motive behind that one. Finally, let's talk about the process of the application of the mehndi. Once you get it done, it's not just done. There's a whole aftercare process. You got to sleep with it on overnight. You can't wrap it in plastic. You cannot apply water on it for 24 hours. And you have to apply external heat to make sure the mehndi reaches its optimum color. Mehndi lasts for a couple weeks after its application. The more water you apply, the faster it'll fade. Aftercare is everything though. For the day of the wedding, if you want that dark, rich burgundy color, you got to take care of your hands. Another important topic is the safety of the henna. You got to make sure the paste that you use is 100% natural and free of any dyes and chemicals that can be harmful to the skin. Oftentimes, when there's dyes used, it can burn the skin in the shape of the design, and you'll be left with a lasting scar of it. So there you have it, everyone. You should be good to go for your first South Asian wedding. My name is Neha Assar. You can find me at Neha Assar on Instagram or YouTube. Also, be sure to visit my website at www.nehaassar.com. Feel free to send me an email or a DM. Let's be in touch.